Napoleon dissolved the Holy Roman Empire and forced the Emperor of Austria to accept the lower title of king. He annexed the lands along the Rhine River. Peacemakers formed a German confederation, a weak alliance headed by Austria. Otto von Bismarck became Prussia's Janker.
In the early 1800s, Italian patriots, including Mazzini, were determined to build a new unity.
Germany dreamed of being unified once more.
The southern part of Italy was taken over by Prussia, while the northern part was taken by Austria. Cavour died in 1861 while his successors fulfilled his dream.
The government granted the population limited rights and control over the church properties. Many Italians left for America.